come and learn some moves. Grab your family, grab your friends. We need a big circle. Engineer, please, can I have my mic down a little bit? Can I have my mic down a little bit, please? Please, can I have my mic down a bit? The mic is super loud. We need a circle. Very good. I like it. I like it. Please come forwards. Please come forwards. Please come. Join. Yeah, this is good. We're going to make a circle, people. We're making a circle. Come around. Come around. A nice big circle. Nice and big. Nice and big. Nice and big. Nice and big. I like it. Okay. If you're ready for some fun, can we bounce? Can we bounce? Let's bounce. Let's bounce. Let's bounce. That's it. That's it. I like it. I like it. Keep it going. Keep the bounce. So we're going to come into the middle for 4 counts. You're going to come into the middle and you're going to say, woo! Then you're going to go back. You're going to say, oh yeah. You're going to go into the middle. Let me hear you say, woo!